What's up, guys? Biker Dave here. Make sure you check out my channel for all kinds of videos relating to working on stuff around the house. Motorcycles, dirt bikes, cars, golf carts, classic cars, new stuff, old stuff, appliances, and whatnot. And if our video saves your life, make sure you click the thanks button. It'll be found underneath the video screen, and you can send us a monetary donation. We really appreciate it. All right. The issue, here's a nice KitchenAid refrigerator. But this can apply to any refrigerator. The issue was the ice was clumping large clumps that would not break up. Like as you see now, they're all separated perfectly as they should be. But before, some of them were just huge clumps of, clusters of ice cubes. The fix: turn down the temperature. And on mine, you have to hold this down. Click again to get to the freezer temp. Because I was around, around 5 degrees or so, because I used to think it was too cold and it was freezing up the line, but that wasn't the problem for another issue. But yeah, I got it around 3 degrees, obviously, as it says right there. Working perfectly now, as far as perfect. I did another video on if your ice dispenser is not working properly. You'll see a playlist link on appliances and whatnot, and you can find that. If yours is not dumping ice as it should when you hit the button, you can see another video about that. Anyway, so yeah, check out our channel. We got tons of cool stuff relating to working around the house and fixing things and do-it-yourself projects and rebuilding motorcycles and restoration of stuff, and you just name it. There's over 2,000 videos on the channel. So y'all have a great day. We shall see y'all later.